Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Ford Focus hood. First, locate the hood release lever inside the cabin, typically on the driver's side dashboard or kick panel. Pull this lever firmly towards you. You'll hear a click, and the hood will pop up slightly, releasing the primary latch. Then, move to the front of your vehicle. Now, move to the front of your Ford Focus. The hood will be slightly ajar. Reach your hand into the gap, usually near the center of the hood's front edge. You'll feel for a small lever or tab, which is the secondary safety latch. This mechanism provides an extra layer of security. Once you've located the secondary latch, either push it to the side or pull it up, depending on your specific Ford Focus model. This action will fully release the hood. Carefully lift the hood all the way open, being mindful of its weight. Now, you'll need to secure it in the open position. To keep the hood safely open, find the prop rod, usually clipped to the underside of the hood or near the engine bay. Unclip it and insert its end into the designated hole on the underside of the hood or the engine compartment. This ensures the hood stays securely open while you work, preventing accidental closure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.